In this video, I'm going to go through the process of changing your spark plugs on a 1.8T, gapping them to the correct gap and torquing them to the correct spec. We have these standard ignition coils in here, not the upgraded TFSI ones. If you're using standard ignition coils on your 1.8T, it's going to be gapped to between 0.032 and 0.028. These are our new auto light plugs, and if I check them, 0.32 is the larger size, and it's definitely too big. We'll put it in the vise. Now we'll just get it to the correct gap. It's in there really good. Just with a small hammer, I'm lightly tapping it. It doesn't take much to bend it, and that is the correct gap that we want. It's always important to check the gap, even whenever you got brand new spark plugs, because if the gap is off, if it's too large or too small, you could get a multiple misfire and it couldn't run right. So it's really important to have the correct gap on the spark plugs. It's a lot cheaper to get some auto parts on Rock Auto, and in these case, I think these might have been about $2 a plug, but if you're looking to get iridium plugs, just about any plug, it's going to be a little bit cheaper than your auto parts store. It's worth a look. Now we'll pull out the old ones and put in the new ones. Always put these in really slow, making sure the threads are correct. Make sure whenever this is going in, that thread feels right, because you don't want to mess up the threads inside of the head. Yep, that's good. We're going to torque the spark plugs to 15 foot-pounds. Make sure you check the spec for your car, because it might not be the same. Reinstall our coil packs using a hex head 5mm to install the bolts. And just snug up these bolts. And don't forget to install the ground for the ignition coils. And we'll turn it over to make sure everything is in good shape. And the engine's running very smoothly. So that's how you change your spark plugs and get the correct gap on the spark plugs as well to the correct torque. It's really important if you want your engine running smooth.